seen this post that kind of rubbed me the wrong way, and I just want to address it real quick. This thing says, "I'm proud of you, my boy, and she is beautiful. Asian and Hispanic women have a level of loyalty that most black women wouldn't understand." And then I seen someone commented, share the post and says, "Time to date outside my race." Listen, I have nothing against white women. I have nothing against Asian women. I have nothing against Hispanic women. I think women are amazing, but nothing will ever be able to replace the love and loyalty that I have to black women. As a black man, I owe black women everything. It is so amazing to me that black men make statements like this saying that black women doesn't understand this level of loyalty that another nationality has, simply because black women are sick and tired and fed up with dealing with men that act like little boys. No woman wants to be with a man that acts like a little boy. Boys are maintenance. Boys is too much responsibility. When a woman finds herself interested in a man, the first thing she finds herself thinking is, can this man take care of me? And I know a lot of people are already trying to say, well, women need to know how to take care of their man too. I agree with you. Women do need to know how to take care of their man, but no woman is going to take care of a man that's not taking care of himself. And it is a total slap in a black woman's face for you to say that another nationality has precedence over loyalty than what a black woman has. You didn't say that when this black woman was carrying your babies. I don't understand that. You urban terrorists will go into our black communities. You will impregnate our black women. And then some of you are too old to be impregnating our younger black women. Some of you need to be in jail for statutory rape, but we're not even going to deal with that right now. But you have the nerve to sit up there and say that their loyalty is faulty. No. Their loyalty is not faulty after you impregnated them, after you disrespect them, after you sexualize them, after you manipulate them, after you beat them down, after you put them on a pedestal to make them look like the only thing that they're good for is twerking and being strippers, as though that a smart, intelligent black woman can be nothing more than just some white woman's protege, when the truth of the matter is that's not even how it's going down. I see many black women all day, every day, up and down my timeline, hustling, trying to be the best mother, trying to be the best daughter, trying to be the best sister, trying to be the best aunt, trying to be the best entrepreneur, trying to be the best woman she can be. And y'all have the nerve to sit up here and post some junk like this and say that Asian and Hispanic women understand a loyalty that black women don't understand. That's crazy to me. And I can't sit around and just let y'all sit up there and make it seem as though black women or black women are just women that are just loudmouth and ignorant and they don't know nothing. The entire time that black women are being raised, they're being raised to maintain and build a home, while you're sitting up there being told to go play with your cars or go play with your trucks and go play with sticks and stones outside. And they're sitting in the house doing Betty Crocker cooking shows and at their little PlayStations inside of the house. They were forced to play with Barbie dolls and learn how to change Barbie dolls and learn how to be mothers before they were even learned how to be toddlers. They were being indoctrinated on how to be a wife at 12 and 13 and 14 and 15. And some black women were being indoctrinated on how to be a wife and how to be a housemaker at freaking 9 and 6 and 7. And while you got to go outside and deal with your pleasures, women had to stay inside and deal with life. That's an oxymoron to me. And then some of you got the nerve to sit up there and call a grown behind man your little man. Or, y'all have these kids and y'all sit up there call these little boys, that's my little man. He's not a man. Y'all not even teaching him how to be a man. So then when it grows up and it's time for him to be a man, y'all still acting like that these women are supposed to treat you as though you're their son. No woman want to be with a man that she has to act like this is my son. No woman wants to go through nothing like that. I don't understand the mentality of today's generation that you put these expectations on black women that you don't even put on yourself. It's time for y'all to grow up. It's time for y'all to come to realization that black women are not y'all flunkies. You don't get to walk on their back and then expect them to be loyal to something that you're not even loyal to. Y'all want them to be loyal to the home, and you're not even loyal to the home. First of all, before you even even try to make a demand on what a black woman should do. I need you to own some land. I need you to have your own house. I need you to have your own car. I need you to have money in the bank so that you can sustain the life that she's trying to build with you. You can't sit up there and say, this is a loyalty that some black woman might not understand. That's stupid. That's the most ignorant thing that a black man can say about a black woman. And I ain't trying to make this about race because I love all people, but I want to make it very, very clear that nothing will ever be able to replace the love that I have for black women. I salute all black women. Thank you for looking out for us when we couldn't look out for ourselves. You bailed us out of jail. You covered us. You prayed for us. You made sure that we were straight. You held us down when some people were drug dealers, when some people were down and out and they didn't have a dollar to pay none of the bills around the house. They didn't have money. They had insufficient funds. They were hustling, doing all different types of crazy stuff. You looked out for us and supplied for us when we couldn't get $1 out of 15 cents. And then we got the nerve to turn. No, I don't agree with this. This is the most foolish things I ever read in my life.